Good morning, students. In our previous sessions, we discussed qualitative research methods such as case study, ethnographic studies, and today's session we are going to discuss a very important topic and very important method in qualitative research, that is mixed method. Mixed methods research, or MMR, has become increasingly popular over the last 25 years. The term mixed method refers to an emergent methodology of research that advances the systematic integration or mixing of quantitative and qualitative data within a single investigation or sustained program of inquiry. A mixed method combines both qualitative and quantitative elements to produce a better research quality by eliminating the biases inherent to either quantitative or qualitative methods. Combines qualitative and quantitative approaches within a single study to provide a comprehensive understanding of a research problem. This approach integrates the strength of both qualitative and quantitative methods, allowing researchers to explore diverse aspects of a phenomenon by combining the two approaches, validate findings across different methods, and triangulate results for a more robust interpretation. So, in mixed method research, researchers collect, analyze both qualitative and quantitative data concurrently or sequentially. Either it is concurrently or it is sequentially. So they may begin with one method to explore a phenomena, that is qualitative introduce to understand experiences, then use the findings and test hypotheses quantitatively. So through surveys or through experiments. So here a researcher combines two approaches, two methods. Or alternatively, the researchers may collect both types of data simultaneously to complement each other and provide a better understanding of the research work. So the term mixed methods refers to an emergent methodology of research that advances the systematic integration or mixing of quantitative and qualitative data within a single investigation or sustained program of inquiry. A mixed method combines both qualitative and quantitative elements to produce a better research quality by ensuring and eliminating the biases inherent to either quantitative or qualitative methods. However, collecting qualitative and quantitative data was common in many social sciences research for the last so many years. But after traction through this formative period and ensuring this era of paradigm debate, mixed method research expanded into a distinct methodology which is equipped with the procedures and nomenclature. So a mixed method usually results in a profound research due to its methodological pluralism or Eclecticism. Eclecticism. The main assumption is that when an inquirer combines both quantitative and qualitative methods, it provides a better understanding of the problem than using either method alone. So mixed method research can be very useful in getting a deep understanding of any problem. However, given that mixed research method requires more time and efforts than either of qualitative or quantitative method, it is imperative that this method be used only for that research in which a profound understanding of the phenomenon of great importance of the researcher. Our next topic is designing mixed method research.